Alright, this one was requested a while ago. It is, I got soot everywhere. Chicken pot pie. Do I need to oil this? Maybe. And get the little bug out. Now, you probably could just do this with bread. But me, being me, I'm gonna use some pie crust. Keep it legit. So this is just 9-inch pie crust that I trimmed to be square. As always, I have not tested this. No idea if it works. Oh, cracking a little bit because it's cold. I have an idea. All right. Oh man, I should let it warm up a little bit. Let's start with veggies. These are microwavable veggies that I already microwaved at home, but I haven't opened the bag yet. Voila. A little more? Nah, we'll put some more on top. Cooked chicken. Some rotisserie chicken would probably be amazing. Use the whole thing? Yes, we should. There we go. Now we can't have it tasting all boring. So we've got some already made chicken gravy. I don't want it too wet. I feel like it could probably use some more black pepper. I don't have any. Here's some quail. They're close. This might be too much pastry. Is there such a thing? I think I oriented this wrong. Can I rearrange it without destroying it? Oh no, I think the corners need to be... Oh, like this. Maybe? Yes, that's how it should be. Okay, that's kind of what we're looking for. Do like a pouch. Is it unattractive? Yes, it is. Okay, that's not exactly how I envisioned. It'll do. I think this is probably already buttery enough. Still got a ways to go. Ooh, getting there. Boy, it's heavy. Oh yeah. Oh no, there's a sticky spot back there. Oh no, hey. There we go. Hoo-hoo. Looks pretty good on that side, except for that sticky spot. Oh, another sticky spot. Overall, pretty good. Oh. Appetizer. I think this side needs a little more. That side looks pretty good. Should I try and get it out? I don't have a plate. Well, we could have taken it out. Oh. Hey. Oh, there we go. Hey, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. There we go. Can we pick it up? Yes, we can. You're gonna get a piece. I think you need this corner right here. It's hot. Hot. I'd say nailed it. So anyway, my plan was this. I was gonna take these Thanksgiving leftovers, which I stashed in the freezer, warm them up here in the 12-volt lunchbox. They are kind of getting warm. So I got stuffing and turkey and mashed potatoes, and then I wanted to put the stuffing in the waffle iron and put the other stuff on top. But I think I'm going to change it up, because these are taking forever to heat up. I should have started it earlier, it's my bad. So now I have plan B. I think I'm going to put it all in the Pieiron. So I already have a little fire going. So the only thing is I would like to put some egg in the stuffing and the mashed potatoes to get it to solidify better. But we're just going to see what happens. I mean, it's going to taste good. But yeah, this is a mushroom stuffing that Ames made. She smoked a turkey, and we of course mashed potatoes. So I think I'm going to start with a stuffing layer. And it's going to be our bottom crust. I've actually had this one on the list too, which is Thanksgiving Pieiron. So I wasn't planning on doing it today, but here we are. Sometimes it just works out that way. All the way up the sides with a little bit of divot in the middle. Okay, not that thin in the middle. I think my fingers are going to work better than a fork. Next, I need some turkey. Do some shreds in here. This turkey was so good. I usually don't get excited about turkey because it's just kind of blah. But this smoked turkey, it turned out so good. So juicy. So flavorful. We're not really cranberry sauce people. I mean, neither of us are get jazzed about it. So I still want to have that sort of tangy sweet layer. I have this hot pepper bacon spread. And clearly I have been enjoying this in there for that sweet, spicy, savory accent. Finally, mashed taters. Just your basic butter and milk mashed taters. And I just want to try and enclose our other goodies. I hope I have enough here. This could be incredible, or it could be disaster. And away we go. checkout time is looming, so I have the grate all the way down and the fire jamming. While that's cooking, I am going to start breaking down camp. Alright, so for the permanent record, potato side and stuffing side. I did have to whack it a couple times. It's still sticking a little bit right here. Actually, I feel like the stuffing side could go a little longer. So false alarm, I'm going to make it a little drier. Alright, it has been going a good long time now. I want to say it's been nearly an hour, but that stuffing was pretty wet. But I think we're in a good spot now. Stuffing side. Yes, that's much better. Still a little juicy in the middle, but I think we're good. Mashed potato side. It's a little slanted to one side because I had to keep slamming it on the grate to break off the sticky parts. But that looks golden and delicious. We're starting stuffing up, and I'm just going to flip her out like that. Ho, ho, ho. Beautiful. Yes, I don't have a plate, so we're serving on a paper bag. Let's see what we got. I should have grabbed a sharper knife than this one. If we get little pokes. Poke. 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 I don't think it is going to hold. It's definitely not going to be pick-upable unless you let it get cold. Yeah, as I suspected, the mashed potatoes aren't really holding, and I think that's because there is no binder. Unless maybe I cooked the bejesus out of it like I did the stuffing. Kind of pick-upable. You want a little bit of everything. Yeah, we got the turkey, stuffing, that jam, mashed potatoes. Oh my gosh, this is a real pain, but so worth it. I'm actually kind of glad I didn't do the waffle thing, because this is freaking delicious. Can we? Yes, we can. Yeah, as it's cooling off, it's tightening up a little bit.